will call your names. You have to come and you have to watch. You have to rearrange the word that is called resembling. Okay? You have to resemble that word and form a new word. Now, from girls' side, Sakshi will come, and from boys' side, Ayansh will come. Come fast. Come fast, beta. Okay. Stand there. Okay. With the count of no one will stand. With the count of 3 to 1, you guys have to start. And 3, 2, 1, start. Form a word. It says. अरे यार वो उसका था ना बेटा. अब you have to make it from these two rows and you have to make from these two rows. Do it fast, Ayansh. Very good. Good, Sakshi. What you have made? Correct. No, the word is wrong. Okay, go back. From girl side, Kamakya come out, and from boy side, from a boy side, Utkarsh will come out. Come fast. With the count of 3 to 1, start. Start. Do it fast. Do it fast. You are running out of time. I will tell you who is the winner. Very good. Girls, 1 point. Boys, 0 point. Go back. Beta, you both go back. Yes, you. From boy side and girl side, she. Come out, come fast. Yes. Be on your seats, everyone. Go that way. 3, 2, 1. Start, beta. Rearrange the words. You guys are running out of time. Go back. From boy side, who will come? Yes, you come. Come fast. You go back. From girl side, who will come from girl side? Yes, you come. Come fast, beta. Sakshi have 1 point. Make it fast. Jaldi. Quick. What you have made? 10. Very good. Girls, 1, 2 points. Very good. No. Go back. Time is out. Go to your seat. Yes, you come. Come. I will go that way and you come this way. Start. Form a word fast. Very good. Boys have 1 point. Who will come from boy side? From boy side. Yes, you come. Yes, you. Very good. Go that way. Yes, you come this way. 1, 2, 3, start. Last fight. Start it up. Fast. Very good. Girls have 4 points now. Boys have only 1 point. Go. Girls have 2 points. Gorish come and you come. No, not you. She's coming. You go back. Form a word. Fast. Start. Do it fast, beta. Gorish. Go that way. Go to your seat. Go, beta. Who will come from? Yes, you come. From boy side, who's left? Boy side. You have done. Yes, you come. Come fast. Class, if you will not keep quiet, start. Fast. Quick. Very good. Girls have 5 points. She has made an ant. Go to your seat, beta. Very good. From boy side, who's left? Yes, you come out. And yes, you come out. Come fast. Okay. Let me mix match everything. Now, start. Form a word. Very good. Boys have 3 points and girls have 5 points. Go. Boys have 1 point. Who is left? Come out. Boy side. Yes, you come out. Fast, beta. Form a word. Wait, start. She had made it. You have to change your word. She had made it. Do fast. Out of time. Go back to your seat. Go back. Who is the next? Yes, you come out. From boy side, who's left? Yes. You have done now. From where are you coming? Who is left from girl side? Come out. Hmm.